This is the brand new state-of-the-art National Centre for Translational Medicine at Ruijin Hospital in Shanghai. It's also home to the world's first interconnected network of Arctic automated storage units, proudly provided by us here at SPT Labtech. As part of an ambitious translational medicine vision, the Shanghai-based research team had bold plans for an automated biobanking solution that could unify sample operation and storage across multiple departments and sample types. With our track record in providing scalable automated biobank technology, we were able to help Ruijin Hospital realise their vision by creating an automated low-temperature solution, an interconnected network of 13 compact Arctic XC units and 4 Connect AC remote systems.
So what makes this project so unique is the fact that it's the only system in the world that's transporting samples through a pneumatic network of pipes. It's something that we've done for quite a long time now at SPT Labtech. We've been working with pneumatics for almost 20 years in terms of sample movement, but it's particularly challenging when you're working with -80 samples. So we've had to engineer new solutions to deal with that. We've had to implement also a lot of know-how. So it's really exciting to take those learnings of 20 years and implement them in a really cutting-edge, new and exciting installation.
The innovative solution uses pneumatic technology to seamlessly and efficiently transfer samples quickly and easily between different laboratories and even different hospital floors, all whilst ensuring sample integrity. The infrastructure is also scalable and will allow Ruijin to grow their sample management capabilities beyond the centre's current 1.5 million storage capacity, allowing for significant further expansion in the future. This complex project spans several years, from initial discussions in 2018 through to contracting, manufacturing, shipping, and installation of the equipment. This was then followed by intensive technical support to fine-tune the implementation and ensure that every detail was right.
What we have been able to do with this project is identify the technical challenges which have been there in the background, and we've been able to work extremely closely because I've been actually based in the development team.
Our team was even able to overcome the unexpected challenges and disruption of COVID-19 by harnessing technology. This was to ensure the engineering team could continue to provide hands-on, dedicated support, even remotely.
So a project like this makes you feel really proud. You know, the ingenuity of the team, the sheer hard work of the team to actually develop and execute a plan and actually to deliver such a novel and unique solution that we can be really proud of in terms of technology, and hopefully the customers are going to be really proud of in terms of what it means to them and their research. And I really look forward to, over the next few years, just seeing how it does expand, develop and scale to deliver what that customer wants.
After the successful installation, the centre officially opened in December 2020. Ultimately, the solution delivers real benefits to the customer in terms of sample management, sample integrity, and workflow efficiencies, all to help empower scientific research and to help Ruijin Hospital execute their vision for translational medicine.